out to all my members and to all my friends that supporting Ma'am Malu. Mega love shout out to all of my members. The Likers Vlog, thank you very much. Ching Escapadis, Gorgeous Jean Channel, Kalis Escapadis, Mr. Tranquilo, thank you very much. Philippine Islands and USA Adventure. Peter Duday, thank you very much for always supporting of me even Ma'am Malu is not active like before. Hummingbird Wings channel, Chin Chin 517 TV Vlog, Sarah Mesha Hairstyle, Ransky 24 Vlogs, thank you very much. I didn't see much of your new upload, Ransky. Put some new upload. The RC Green Vlog, thank you very much, sis. Evelyn Vlog, Sir Chivi TV, Marita Nutu Vlog, Ceros HK, Adoracion Ibalela TV, Angging P Vlog, Rushing Wind, Mountain, Junax Mix TV Vlog, Lorna Magdi Vlogs, Spinta. Thank you guys for all your support, never-ending support. And then like next month, Mama Lu is busy, so I cannot support for you guys. But then when after October, and then I can do it again, I can support for you guys. And those friends that always come and support Mama Lu for my new video, don't worry, when I have time after October, I will get back to you. I'll be late. So thank you guys. So take care everyone, and happy September now, and happy coming October. So enjoy YT guys, and enjoy life. If I'm your member of your channel, and if next month October, if it happens that my membership is not working, don't worry. When I'm not busy, I will take care of that around November, and I'll be back again or take care of that member. So thank you guys.